we offer sleep apnea devices and snoring devices. Lots of people out there don't have sleep apnea, but they snore. And we have made tons of these devices for people that their spouses told them they don't want them in their bedroom anymore because they keep them awake all night. As a matter of fact, we had one young lady that came to me and said, my fiance said he wouldn't marry me if I kept snoring. So I made her a snoring device. It's just two little trays that fit on the upper teeth, the lower teeth. They're held together with a strap, and it protrudes your jaw, just like this. Matter of fact, I have one myself. And next time she came in, she showed me her engagement ring, and she got married, and she has a child now too. So these devices really work.